Bossing your office is not just about learning excellent stuff. It's more about having a better quality of life at work. And to that end, we're going to talk about shopping today. Here are 5 products from Amazon that I think you absolutely have to have if you work in an office. We'll go in order of price from most expensive to the cheapest. The first thing I make sure I carry with me to work is my AirPods Pro, and as you can see, we have a decent discount from $250 to $169.99. The reason I find these wireless headphones to be so important at work is because if you are someone who makes a lot of phone calls and receives a lot of phone calls, it makes your life so much easier if you don't have to actually pick up the phone and hold it across your face for long periods of time. And if you're not someone who's on the phone a lot, this is also great for people like me who loves to listen to music that helps you actually focus on the work that you're doing. I just want to add that this is the new version with the USB Type-C, and I'm still using the old AirPods Pro 2 with the Lightning port, and I'm really tempted to upgrade. Now I will link the AirPods Pro 2 down below, but I'll also include a Samsung option and a budget option as well. The second must-have is this mouse, the MX Master 3S, and it is absolutely a game changer. The amount of time we spend using the mouse, for $100, this is an absolute no-brainer. It's super ergonomic, there's extra buttons, there's extra scroll wheels, and the new 3S model even makes the clicks less noisy. If you are someone who uses a mouse, this is something that you absolutely must try. I take this mouse to the office, back home, and even carry it to the cafe if I'm working outside. But if you are someone who also types a lot, then I would recommend going with this combo, which does come with the MX Master 3S mouse, but also comes with the MX Keys keyboard as well. And this combo is listed for $199.99. You should know that both the combo as well as the mouse alone come in both black and white colors. Now, if you're anything like me, I'm a huge coffee drinker, especially when I'm at work, and it gets pretty annoying when I make myself a cup of coffee, come to the desk, have to attend a few phone calls, and my coffee is all cold. Now, this is something I don't own yet, but is something that I'm planning to purchase very soon. This is a really cool Ember temperature controlled smart mug that keeps the beverage of your choice at the temperature of your choice. Now, while this matte black is the one that I might go for, they also come in a variety of different colors, so you can choose the one that suits your personality. Now, the next one is not something that I have one of, and that's because I have 2 of them. Now, the reason I picked up one of these giant water bottles is because we know that we're supposed to drink a lot of water, but when you're busy at work and all focused, I realize that when I have a small water bottle or a cup of water next to me, once it's done, I pretty much don't walk over to the pantry to fill up my water or my glass. When you have this behemoth right next to you, not only does it have the times printed on the water bottle that motivates you to drink, but also you don't have to keep going over to the pantry to refill your water bottle. And for just $18.39, there really is no excuse to not try it out. As I said, links in the description if you would like to check out any of these products that I mentioned. This next item that I'd recommend is a wireless charger for your phone. And that's because you can just prop up your phone on this device and it will keep your phone charged all day long. I like to keep mine right off the computer screen so that if I get some notification, I can have a quick glance, but also it doesn't distract me from getting the job done that I'm actually working on. By the way, let me know if there are other things that you'd recommend that I've not mentioned on this list, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.